Hello, everyone. We're going to be working on slide number 7, which is titled Validate Salary Exponential Equation. It looks really similar to slide number 8, but slide number 8 is Validate Cost of Living Exponential Equation. So please make sure that you are on slide number 7. We also will need to do screen grabs of a calculator. So if you will, I just went to Desmos and then clicked on their scientific calculator. So if you want to pause the video so that you can get that opened up, that would be fantastic. Okay, and we will get started. So the purpose of this slide and the next slide is to validate the numbers that we got for both of the graphs and the table that we produced in slides 5 and 6. So this slide 7 is for validating the salary exponential equation. And honestly, this sounds very complicated. It's really not. It's really not. So the first thing we're going to do is just change a couple things here in the statement. The graph was validated by using the exponential equation and substituting the x value. And instead of 3 different, we're going to pick our different. So we're going to validate for 2 years, 10 years, and 20 years. And I am actually, nope, that's okay. Now, so I need my salary equation. So you can come back to 4 or 5 because our salary equation's on that also. So it's also on slide 6. But I'm just going to go to slide 4. So my equation was 29,120 times the quantity of 1.10 to the power of x. So I am going to, what we're doing is replacing the x with 2 first, then 10, then 20. So let's do 2 first. So back here on my calendar, I am putting in 29,120 times the quantity 1.10. Remember, this represents my raise, my salary. The 1 is the 100% of the salary given here. And then that 0.10, that 10%, represents the raise. So for 2 years, I think I can just do this. There we go. All right. So after 2 years with a salary raise of 10% each year, my salary after 2 years should be $35,235.20. So what I'm going to do is grab a screenshot. And I'm doing a snip and sketch. So I'm just copying that piece. Bringing it back over here, going to slide 7, and pasting. So here, I might need to make this just a skosh smaller to get all of them on here. This shows that I'm using my equation, my raise, and then I'm using, in place of the x, because the x stands for number of years, this is for 2 years. Okay. All right, and then now I need to do the same thing, but for 10. So I can come back to my calculator. Okay, 29,120. 100% of my previous salary plus a 10% raise. Okay, and then let's see, will this work? It did. I hit Shift 6 to get, that gives me that little upraised caret, but it doesn't put that in there. It just upraises the cursor that you could see. And then I'm going to put in 10 for 10 years. Okay, and here is my salary, $75,529.78. So once again, I'm going to snip. And you know what? I don't need that whole space up there, so I can just do this piece. I just need the numbers. This is just proof that the numbers that I got on my graphs previously are accurate. Okay. So there's 10 years. I might go back and do the same thing here. Yep, I am going to do that. Okay, let me see. I'm going to erase and do 2. There we go. We do that one so that I just have this smaller piece right here. Copy, paste, smaller. And then, of course, you can rearrange these so that you can see all of them. And my last one is going to be for 20 years. So I'm going to come back over here. And I discovered that I can just hop back up here and change my exponents. And now this is at 195,904.7985. So again, I'm going to snip just that piece, copy, paste, adjust. Okay, and now I've got all 3 of those pieces. I might need to make a couple more adjustments as far as sizes go, but for the most part, they're good. Okay. And then down here, for the summary of the calculations, this is just explaining what I did, why I used the numbers that I did. So you can type in to validate. I put the salary exponential equation into a calculator, and I replaced the X with 2, 10, and 20. And we didn't do 2 specifically, but we did here on slide 6, 10 and 20. And you can see that my salary numbers match up with my calculator numbers. So these match one another. So I can, just as an example, the salary at 10 years is $75,529.78. I'm just doing rounding. Okay, and I should put a $sign in front of my dollars. $sign. Okay. And which matches the graph on slide 6. Okay. So this is just, again, validate means prove. So we're just showing proof with the calculator. Our calculator matches up with our graph. And that's what we do for slide number 7.